right, are you thinking about buying a home with a homeowners association? Or you may have questions like, can they really inspect my yard? Or what rules should raise red flags?
All right, our friends at Edgar Snyder Associates are here to break down the rights, the rules, and what every homeowner or soon-to-be homeowner should know before signing on the dotted line. But before they do, we have a trivia question for everyone. So take out your phone or your device, scan the QR code on your screen, and make your guess on this question.
Yeah, so the question is, how many HOAs exist in the United States? Is it 300,000, over 365,000, 500,000, or over 550,000? Oh my gosh! Oh, so there's four different.
Yeah, there's four different.
Okay, yeah. So we've never had one with four choices.
We haven't.
That threw me a little bit. All right, we're going to get back to that question in just a little bit. But first, we are joined by Christine Zaremski-Young. Christine, thank you for getting straight to the point with us, as always.
Thank you. Good morning.
Good morning to you. And so let's talk about the best way to deal with an HOA. Like, can you represent yourself? Should you get a lawyer involved?
Oh, always excellent questions. The best advice I can give is to educate yourself.
Okay.
So there are two main things you should educate yourself on for any homeowners association. The first one is the bylaws. Each homeowners association or condo association has to have bylaws or a contract for forming it, but also for any of the rules that it's governed by. Mm-hmm. And the second is to know the law. So there are two laws here in Pennsylvania that are applicable. There's the UPCA, which is the Uniform Plan Community Act, as well as the UCA, which is the Uniform Condominium Act. So those are the two things. But also, if you want to your question, yes, you can consult with an attorney, but I would recommend it for any serious issue, or even if you had any questions for interpreting either your documents, your bylaws, or the law itself.
Okay, all right. Well, here is a serious issue. Can an HOA force you to foreclose on your home?
That's another excellent question. Unfortunately, yes. But they do have to follow the law, and they do have to follow the bylaws before they can do so. So the circumstances that they can do that for, if there are fines or if there are dues that accumulate, the Homeowners Association can put a lien on your property. And in certain circumstances, yes, they can actually foreclose upon your property.
So, I mean, if it accumulates, it could really become an issue, and they could take that stance.
Exactly. And back to your original question, in that circumstance, yes, I would recommend
get a lawyer.
An attorney.
Well, yeah, I mean, you don't want to lose your house over something like that. Exactly. Absolutely. All right, so what about how much permission or power an HOA has? And maybe it's simply what's written in, like, the bylaws, but can they come on your property, your private property? Like, can they open a fence and come in?
Only in certain circumstances. So no, they can't just come onto your property without notice. That would be trespassing. But again, if you look at the bylaws or you read the law, there are certain circumstances where they can do that, but they need to give you notice first. They can't just enter without telling you they're going to enter. They have to follow the rules.
Yeah, and it sounds like the HOA, they have a lot of power in this situation. So I would assume that it would be a good idea to look out for any red flags before you sign contracts.
Yes, that is the best advice, is to look out for some red flags. There are a few. They're not saying not to go forward and join an HOA, but just ask more questions. Some of them are if they have low reserve funds. So if they have low funds that are in their account to help take care of maintenance, I would recommend asking more questions, see the books, see their accounting logs, but also if they're actively in litigation. Those are huge red flags that you should probably ask a couple more questions before you join one.
Yeah, all great advice, and it's stuff that, you know, we don't often talk about, so it's a wonderful subject to get to. Let's get to the question, too, that we asked all of you earlier and see how you voted. Everyone came up with, more people voted for 500,000. Is that correct?
A lot of HOAs.
But the correct answer is over 365,000.
Wow.
So, all right.
I was going to guess 1 million, so we was far. But no, really, really good advice. And just things you don't necessarily think about. So thank you.
Oh, thank you both.
Thank you.
All right.
All right, remember to join us on the third Monday of every month for more Legal Ease with Edgar Snyder and Associates. This one was a lot of fun.
Well, we learned some things, which is always good.
Up next, we're learning why the shelves at our local library have so much more than just books. Daisy is getting straight to the point, too, when it comes to books and beyond. That's when PTL comes right back.